Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the HP Officejet 6600. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality or just a certain color isn't printing, this is a method you can go ahead and use to clean your print head and to get back up and running with normal printing quality. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, have it on. Now, before you do this project, you want to make sure you check your ink. Now, sometimes it'll tell you, so that's yellow is empty. Sometimes it'll tell you that the rest of these have ink. If they're running low at all, you're gonna want to change them. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for you to go ahead and, all right, that one was ready to come out. For you to go ahead and buy some brand new ink. Make this project contingent upon you getting some new ink. All right, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for some brand new ink. You need to, even if it's a little bit getting there, don't run it all the way out. That is how you damage the print head. And most people do that. They think that if they run it low, they're going to get more usage out of it, but they can really just end up damaging the whole printer. Now, you have easy access there to the print head. From this point on, you're going to need your print head cleaning syringe and a paper towel. So I hope you have a good visual there, but you're going to want to get this paper towel and you're going to go ahead and put it right under there. You're going to lay it flat right in there, and you're just going to drag this right over. It's right over the print head now. You're also going to just go ahead and turn this off. You can hold the print head in place. So this is going to move a little bit. You just have to hold it in place. So now that it's there, you're going to get your syringe. Now, there's also going to be a link in the description below for a syringe kit. So you can go ahead and get that. That's going to be a link to Amazon.com, and it's going to be a kit that is going to really just help you with this overall project. So now you're going to want to go ahead and get started. This cleaning kit is going to come with some cleaning solution, which is what you're going to be using in there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and put this right on the black nozzle. So right when it's over the black nozzle, you're going to just go ahead and push the solution right through. Make sure that it's snug over the nozzle so that it's really pushing through. And you're going to go ahead and repeat that with all the different colors. So next is yellow. Okay, so you would go ahead and do yellow. Next is cyan, so go ahead and do cyan there. Now, of course, if you have a certain color that just isn't printing, you can just go ahead and change, just focus on that color, just clean up that color. And you can really use all the cleaning solution on it, and you're really going to have a cleaned out nozzle. But while you're at it, maybe you want to just go ahead and clean all of them. So next is going to be this magenta here. So that's really all it is. And you can do this, a couple of times. Make sure you have another towel with you so you can dry everything down. And also use some gloves. Yeah, go ahead and do that. And you can do this again 2-3 times. Use all the cleaning solution that you have. And that should clean it out. Now, of course, you're going to want to go ahead and get your towel out of there, your paper towel, and it should look like that. It should look pretty dirty because you just, pushed out a bunch of ink. So just make sure you have this towel, though, so that you can kind of wipe everything down. All right, now, so if this, for whatever reason, doesn't end up working, I'm also going to leave a link in the description below for this printer in particular, where you can get it for, used or new on Amazon.com. And I'm going to, throw in a couple other printers that are kind of similar to this one, use similar ink. So there's a lot of resources down in the description below. I highly recommend that you go down there. And then also, if you're just looking for general printer advice or ink compatibility, I also have a website, bestprinterstech.com. You can go there and shop, whatever you want to do. But really specifically, if you were wanting this printer, you need new ink and you need a cleaning kit. That's going to be in the description below. And I really hope that ends up helping you out. I hope this video helped you out. And if you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. I'll do my best to get to everybody. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.